friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is finally officially Black Friday, and so I thought I'd share with you some of my Black Friday favorites. So this is a combination of new in items and older items. So new in items that I just got from this round of sales, which I just received and I am super excited about, as well as some older items which I've had for a while, tried and tested, and those have also gone into discount. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get started. This video is kindly being part sponsored by Missoma, who are having a massive Black Friday sale at the moment. So they are doing 25% off absolutely everything. If you're not familiar with Missoma, they are a jewelry brand and they do the most beautiful pieces. I've been a fan for a few years now. I worked with them again last year and they always do the most incredible Black Friday sales. Their pieces are so lovely and they really range from kind of statement pieces right through to really delicate, dainty pieces, which are just perfect for everyday wear. I will be showing you some of my favorites in a moment, and I will leave all the sale details down below in the description section if you did want to check that out. So first up, I wanted to share with you my new hairdryer, which I have been a little bit obsessed with. This is from T3, and T3 are having a massive sale at the moment. They are doing 25% off everything, and that's in both the US and the UK. T3 is the brand of my hair color that I use, so that's how I achieve these curls. I always get asked about hair tutorials. I do already have a video on it, so if you missed that, then I will link that down below. But that has been my hair color for the last 4 years, I'd say. I've only ever had to buy one. Like, they last and last. It's genuinely the best hair color I have ever used. It is seriously great. So I began looking at other items from their range. I was in desperate need of a new hairdryer. I bought a new one about a year ago, and for whatever reason, the back of the hairdryer always got my hair caught in it. I can't even tell you how much hair I lost that way. It was really concerning every time that happened. I had to have some scissors to cut my hair out, just not ideal. This one obviously doesn't do that, but it's just a step above in every single way. It is truly the best hairdryer I have ever had. Not only does it perform very well, but it also just looks glorious. Like, it is so lovely. It is white, shiny gloss all over with this rose gold finish. It is beautiful. This is the Cura Luxe, and it is just so lightweight. It's really comfortable to use. It dries your hair so quickly, not overly noisy, and it's just incredible. I feel like good hair days are so much more likely with it, and between this and my hair color, I feel like I just kind of have my routine sorted. I've been so happy with it. I also just placed an order for some of their hairbrushes as well. I'm now kind of obsessed with the whole range, and that 25% off is amazing, and they do just last and last, you know, no issues at all with my hair color. Hopefully this will last just as well, but yeah, definitely a great one if you were in the market for a new hairdryer. I've been super happy with mine. Next up, I wanted to share my jewelry pieces from Missoma, and there are just so many beautiful items, and they are really kind of unique in the marketplace. I think they just do such beautiful designs. So I have two necklaces here, which I am so in love with. So they're both a kind of similar design. This one is this lovely smaller pendant, which has a bit of a kind of pink tone to it along with the gold. It is so lovely. It's kind of like hammered metal, so it's like intentionally imperfect. It is so cute, really nice by itself or to layer. And then I love the style so much. This one is, again, very similar, but it's just slightly bigger. So a little bit more of a statement piece. And this one actually isn't all the way kind of opaque, so it really catches the light in the most beautiful way. I will try and capture this on camera with cutaway shots. They are quite delicate pieces, so it's always difficult to show how pretty they are in real life, but I will try my best. This one also has this beautiful chain as well, and the attention to detail is just so lovely. I thought this would be so lovely with a simple white tee, just when you want to have a little bit of something extra, a little bit more of a statement, but you don't want something absolutely massive. I thought this was the prettiest thing. The next piece is in this box, but I wanted to show their packaging because it is so beautiful. I always think their gift boxes are just stunning. Really great for gift giving as well if you were shopping for sisters, friends, mums, whoever. Inside here is this beautiful necklace, and this is definitely more of a statement one. I love this though. It reminds me of a necklace that my mum had when she was younger. She used to work in the Middle East, so she had the most amazing jewelry, and it was very, very similar to this, and I just thought it was so, so beautiful. Has this amazing dial design all the way around, a really nice weight as well. Planning to keep it very simple this because it is a bit more of a statement than I'd usually go for. Very simple crew neck, or again a white tee, just the most lovely thing. It just looks like such great quality. I am so excited about this. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and I think it's the most stunning piece. And then finally, I wanted to mention the piece which I am most excited about, and it's this necklace I'm wearing here today. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it well with all the lights, but I will do cutaways. This is an exact match for my bracelet. So if you've watched me for a while, you'll have probably seen me wear this about a gazillion times. I've worn this bracelet a ton. It's done so incredibly well, and I did get questions about how I kind of keep taking it on and off, and the answer is I don't. I literally sleep in this, I shower in it, and it's done incredibly well. It is such a pretty design. It's this double beaded bracelet, really dainty, really great for layering if you like to layer up your jewelry. Equally lovely by itself, which is how I mostly wear it. It is just so beautiful though, and they have the exact necklace, exactly the same with the double beaded design, and I thought this is so beautiful. Again, really nice for layering if you do like to have quite a lot of jewelry on. Otherwise, if you just wanted something very plain and simple, I thought this was lovely. It really frames the neckline in a pretty way, and it's just so elegant and it's just beautiful. So huge fan of this. I love the bracelet, just very excited about the necklace, but all of their pieces are just so stunning. And as I mentioned, you can get 25% off everything at the moment. I will link everything down below along with those sale details. Next up, I have a skirt here, and I actually have this in a few different colors. It's from ASOS, and I wanted to flag this because I bought mine full price, and I'm happy to pay full price for them because I think they are absolute bargains anyway. But they have now gone into sale, and I do think they're a really great wardrobe staple. I know I wear mine a lot. It does look to be fairly fully stocked as well. This is from ASOS Design, and I do actually recommend ASOS Design. I've had several items from there which I've just been over the moon with. I've gotten a lot of wear out of, and they've actually worn really well, and these skirts are one of them. So definitely wanted to flag that. I love my pleated skirts, and on sale they are even better. Next up, I wanted to mention my cashmere sweaters because I got a ton of questions about washing and caring for them. So these are my kind of favorite, I think actually just my favorite sweaters in general. They are 100% cashmere, and they are currently on sale for 40% off. I love these things. I have them in many colors at this point, but I know on the product page it says dry clean only, and everyone was like, do you actually dry clean them only? No, I have never dry cleaned any of these. Maybe I should, but I don't really feel the need to. So I just hand wash mine, and then I leave them to dry flat, and they come out great. So that's what I do. I find them very easy to manage. They've lasted really well, and I just absolutely love these, and I think they are an absolute bargain for the price. I did just place an order for a new one, so they released a kind of special one, I guess, for the festive season. It is a polka dot one, and I'm very excited about it, and it was a bit more expensive than the plain ones, but I thought the pattern was just gorgeous, so very excited for that. Next up are some of my favorite J. Crew finds, and one of these is an older coat, one of them is a newer coat, and one hasn't arrived yet, but I will share it anyway. So my tan or kind of brown boiled wool coat is included. There are sort of a few sizes left. They are selling out fairly quickly because their sale is a huge one. It is 50% off everything in the US, and I think it's 30% off in the UK. I love this one. It's a really easygoing piece, really nice over a dress, but equally nice with just a pair of jeans. Just so good to dress up or down, and so nice and warm. Absolutely love mine. And then the new coat I got is this beautiful pea coat, which I am just so happy with. This one does come with a collar as well, which I have detached. I think it looks cute both ways. Really nice if you want a plain option, but also really cute if you want the collar as well. Just a very classic pea coat. This one is navy. I think it might also come in the green as well. I just wanted something super classic. It is more of a boxy fit, but it's not so boxy that it's unflattering. You have these two big pockets in the front there, and then you have this double-breasted design. It is fully lined as well. It is incredibly warm, and I just thought this was lovely. Really happy with this. I got mine for 40% off about 10 days ago, but it is now included in the 50% off. And the other coat I got, I have actually received, but I got completely the wrong size. For some reason, I ordered the petite size and I have no idea why. Like, I'm not petite in the slightest. They didn't make a mistake with my order. I ordered it, just the weirdest thing. My mum does fit into it though, so I'm giving that to her because she really liked it. I have reordered myself the appropriate size, which is definitely not petite, but I thought this was super cute. I will try it on. Clearly it does not fit me, so I have gotten the right size, but I thought the design was nice enough to warrant the additional purchase. So really excited about this one, and that is also included in the discount. And then this favorite, which I actually got right at the beginning of the Black Friday sales. This was one of my very first purchases. This sweater from All Saints, I love this, and I don't usually go for anything this thick because it is a really, really chunky sweater, but I thought this was kind of perfect for December. We are planning on having a very, very chill December. You know, we're not planning on going out too much. The UK is still in various stages of lockdown. I think it will probably stay that way for a lot of December, so I'm really gravitating, I guess, towards more festive pieces which don't feel silly when you're just at home, but you still feel a little bit kind of festive and Christmassy. Just very excited to wear this, drink hot chocolate and watch Christmas films. Next up is the resale, and they have gone live with a site-wide sale. I believe this one is live until Sunday, and this is 20% off everything in the UK and 30% off everything in the US. I have so many favorite pieces from Reece. They are more on the pricey side, so a discount is always very, very welcome, especially when it comes to their tailoring. You know, tailoring is something that I'm happy to spend a bit more on, just because it's something that you're gonna have in your wardrobe for a while, and if you do get the kind of fit right, then you'll just be able to wear it for years and years regardless of trends. One of my favorite pieces from this winter is this coat. I love this thing to bits. It is a full-on kind of glam coat. You can take the faux fur collar off if you wanted something just a little bit less out there, but I love it. The faux fur is so incredibly soft and plush. It's such a luxurious coat to wear, and it does just make you feel so glam when you put it on. It's also very warm, very comfortable. I've only managed to wear it once before we went into lockdown, but I'm happy I managed to get that one wear in. I just think it is fantastic, and I'm thrilled to bits with my purchase. And the other two pieces I wanted to highlight from Reece, and it's difficult for me to narrow these down because I love pretty much every item I have from Reece. This blazer, I love it. It's a little bit cold to wear this now in the UK, but that is kind of the beauty of their pieces, in that I'm looking forward to wearing this in spring. They do just last kind of year after year. This one is the perfect neutral blazer. I love it to bits. Again, double-breasted, a really nice fabric as well. It is fully lined, but the fabric on the outside, really soft, just a beautiful cut and a beautiful color as well. And then more of a casual one, but I did get this quilted jacket. I think it was at the end of summer, and I just loved it. It is a sweater one on the back, and it has these sweater type sleeves, and then it just zips up. So I have very much been enjoying this. It was kind of my go-to outfit, this with my Prada re-edition. I just really liked it. You know, I just popped on a pair of leggings, some sneakers, and it was my go-to running around outfit. And I just think it's really cute, really comfy, and I've just been very much enjoying this. Next up is Abercrombie Fitch, and they've gone live with a huge sale in both the UK and the US. I am now the biggest fan of Abercrombie Fitch, and we've always shopped there because Dan loves their clothes, but I feel like recently they've really upped their fashion game. Their dressier pieces are really lovely, and their loungewear pieces are just all I want to be in pretty much. This isn't the most glamorous thing, I'm not gonna lie, but it is a fleece, and I got this, I think it was right when we moved in here, and the temperature difference between flats and houses is extreme. A flat is, or at least our flat, was always warm and toasty. Even in winter, we barely had to put heating on. It was always just very, very warm. Not so with a house. It is definitely a lot colder in houses, at least in the UK. So I have really been layering up even just when I'm lounging around. And I found this and I thought it was so great. And I do think it's quite cute for a fleece. You know, obviously there are limitations, it is a fleece, but I love the design. It's this kind of asymmetrical one. So you do have this button design, which you can kind of have up or you can fold down. And then you have this quilted element right here on the top. And then it is a fleece everywhere else. They sold out of this one for a really long time and they have brought it back. And I would just really recommend if you are looking for something very, very warm. And then finally, my last favorite is kind of an item that I have here and kind of an item that's gonna come. I mentioned it in one of my deal roundup videos, but this Tory Burch bag, which I think is the prettiest shade. I love the color. It is a lovely blue-gray, almost identical to my Chanel Jumbo. The color similarity is insane. This one is for my mum, and I think she's going to love it because she's commented several times on the color of my Jumbo. As soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, I need this bag in my life. So I've gone ahead and ordered the larger version. This one is currently 30% off in the US. I don't think it's currently on sale in the UK, but if that changes, I will link it below. So beautiful, very excited for the discount, but I just thought this color was the dreamiest thing. So I'm not sure if it will arrive in time for the sales. I did get my shipment notification, but I think the sale might end on Monday. If it does, I will show it, but definitely a favorite for me. I cannot wait to get mine. I think it is the most stunning color. And so many of you guys, when I mentioned I got it, were like, you're gonna love the Kira. So very excited. I just think it's beautiful. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. As promised, I will leave links to everything I featured in the description section below, and I will also list any sale details and any discount codes you'll need to shop the sales. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.